So what I want in IPv4, I want the interfaces to participate in this OSPF process. So what do? I'm going to come into this router right here. Well, first they need IP addresses. That's number one. All right. So we have G01. Let's go into the G01, and I believe that's 10.114. Yes. So I'm using that scheme. Enable config T interface G0/1 IP address. We got a D there. IP address 10.1.1.5 255.255.255.255.252, and then we do a no shut. All right. Let's leave that there. Let's go ahead and do this one. And what you can do is you can do this so you can see it. All right. You do enable config T interface G0/2 IP address. That's 10.1.1.6 is in the G02. 255.255.252. No shut. And then int G01, because this has two sides, IP address. So your subnetting needs to be on point. 255.255.255.252. That's why you need to go to globet.net, subscribe for the workshops, boot camps, all that good stuff. So that's done there. You can do show IP in brief to verify, right? There's your LAN, there's your G01, there's your G02. You can also do show protocols, because what I like about this command is that it gives me the interface as well. It gives me that subnet mask, the subnet mask. And since I make typos, sometimes I make a mistake in the subnet mask, I want to make sure by doing show protocols, it's the same thing as show IP in brief in a different format, and it shows you the subnet mask. And then let's go ahead and take care of G02 on the last router over here. All right, Control Z. We're going to do conf T. Yeah, hold on. Conf T. All right, interface G02. IP address 10.1.1.10 255.255.252. All right, no shut. We're good there. Now that they got an IP address there on them, I'm deciding to do a routing protocol. I want to use OSPF. In real life, I wouldn't use OSPF. I would use ISIS. And in your CCNA Volume 2, if you have Edition 1 in Chapter 17, you have Edition 2 in Chapter 24. Okay? When in the SD access chapter, it's going to talk about that bye-bye Layer 2. It's all going to be Layer 3. And with your spine and leaf topology, is going to be the protocol of choice is ISIS, not BGP, not OSPF, ISIS. Okay, so you better go to globet.net and look at all the stuff I have in there for ISIS. In the YouTube channel, just do a search for ISIS and you'll see what's going on there as well. So now I'm going to show you the easy way of configuring OSPF.